Hello, good evening, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. If you can hear me. And again, wonderful artworks, colorful, and Tirupati Balaji and wonderful warm colors, cool colors, paintings, and great things every time when I open screen. And it just filled my heart with pleasure. I see since long I was telling you we will be learning canvas painting. But yes, today's artwork, which you are going to learn on this A3 size paper, this is artwork of a canvas. Okay, so same as during lockdown, at many places, shops are not open and lockdown for continuous many days. So they can make it on paper, but the technique is exactly the same. And those who can arrange canvas, they will be making the same sketch which they will learn today on canvas. So why we are making it on paper first, not directly on canvas? Because it's little difficult to erase lines on canvas. So once if you will make it today here, you will find it easy to draw it on canvas. Today, we are going to love one beautiful abstract art. And in this is completely oriented on Mother's Day. Okay, on 9th of May, we have Mother's Day. So let's pick up a beautiful artwork for learning the work Mother's Day. It's a beautiful canvas painting and abstract art. Okay, this is abstract art. Now, let me explain what is abstract art. Okay, say abstract art, abstract it means no shape. Okay, like suppose Shiva, suppose you want to draw a Shiva. So while making drawing of Shiva, you can even make a Trishul and third eye. It's also acceptable. Or Shivling and a Trishul, it's also acceptable. Or just a Damru and angry eyes, like if you want to show. So you can show your artwork. Many of all are having our own perception of looking at things and our way of implementation. Okay, the thing artwork which is freestyle, having no proper shape, it is just your free imagination which you implement on your paper, is called abstract art. Okay, so suppose in abstract art we are making a face with no eyes and all. Suppose you are making Lord Shiva's face only with third eye. It's okay, it's acceptable. It's abstract art. Okay. So we will start with our work. Okay, I will start and then I will give full view. As it is vertical, I'm using my file vertically. So I'm giving you full view that how much big. Okay, so you will be using it vertically. Keep it in standing position. We are making a drawing on Mother's Day. Okay, yes, Mother's Day. Yes, we will start right from the beginning. Don't worry, you will find it very easy to understand and to draw. We will be using our style is we use letters and numbers for learning. Okay, letters and numbers. So let's get started. Okay, so I kept my file vertically. Vertically, it means standing position. Okay, all of you keep your drawing file in this position and let's get started. First of all, this is the center. Okay, see, this is the center. I don't want my center. I will go slightly here above. Okay. And I will be making simply diagonal lines. Diagonal, not very much. This is a small diagonal line. No, we won't be able to color it today. We will be able to learn only drawing. Okay. So this is a small diagonal lines. And as we are making face of mom, we are making we are learning drawing on Mother's Day today. And we will be learning Mother's Day in a very special and different kind of art form. And that is abstract art. So this is my center. I will not take my center. I will go slightly above and I just draw this kind of diagonal line. Okay, now I am going to make the face in abstract art. Okay, but yeah, for making face, we all know, okay, that face can be divided in 3 zones. First is forehead. Second zone in that nose and eyes comes, and third is chin and lips. Okay, yeah, I will repeat. I kept my file vertically. This is the center. I just went up and draw this kind of diagonal lines. Okay. Once I will start now, then I will give closer view because it is a proportion. So that's why I'm giving you full view of my file. Now, yes, we are going to do it with painting. We will paint it. Okay. And those who will be doing it on canvas, they can use acrylic colors. Acrylic colors. Okay. And it's a lovely artwork for canvas painting. Now, after making this kind of diagonal line, 2 fingers, because I will divide this space in 3 zones. So see, I will start from here. See, yes, see here, you will not take any measurement because we will be doing every measurement with fingers. So 2 fingers distance, one block, second block, and third block. Okay, 3 blocks. So see, using fingers. We will not use scale like artists. We will use fingers and we will divide it in 3 equal blocks. Okay, first, second, and third. Okay, and where it is, this is the center of paper, slightly above this side. Yes, I'm waiting. And from here, I started 2 fingers, again 2 fingers, again 2 fingers. Whenever you want to make a face, and whenever you are making a face, always divide it in 3 equal zones, equal parts. Okay, because if you will study your face, it is like that only. And now I will give closer view of this. 2 fingers distance, because now you know that where the lines will come. Okay, see, this is the center just above that, and it is 6 fingers long line, 6 fingers. No, you will not make it on canvas directly. Although you have canvas today, but you will make it on paper first. And once you will find that the method will be clear, then you will make it on canvas. Okay? Yes. Done? Show your thumbs up. All of you have done. And according to the rule of our class, we always show thumbs up with a lovely smile. Because I believe your drawing is nothing but your reflection. When you draw with joy in your heart, the same thing reflects. The same kind of colors you use. Na? So keep smiling and have lots of joy. Besides this, drawing is a stress relieving technique also. Yes. Okay. So let's come back. So this is the line, 6 fingers. Okay. It is 6 finger wide. I will give closer view. Just a minute. It will make it easy to understand. Now after this, okay, now see, if I divide, now from here, 4 finger and then 1 more finger, that is 5 fingers. Okay, 5 fingers distance from here. Okay, 4 fingers and 1 more finger, and that is 5 finger distance I will take. Okay, everything we will do measurement with. Krisha, you please click on active speaker view. Okay, you will be able to see my video. Okay. Okay, now students, when I divide my face, when we divide our face in 3 equal blocks, okay, I will be showing how. From here, you will be going this ways till here. Okay, as I showed, this is side face. So till here, it will be going slanting. It is looking like J for jug. And it's looking like J. Yes, I will repeat what I did. This is my center. Slightly above that, I draw a slanting line. It is 6 fingers. On 2 fingers distance, I divide. Then I took 5 finger distance and I just made this complete width of face because I'm showing side face. Okay. And now, see, this is my first zone and this is my second zone. This ways I can divide my face in 1, 2, and 3, right? I'm explaining your face. So see, students, when you divide your face, whether it is front face or whether it is side face, the top block, these are equal blocks because we took equal measurement, right? So the very first, the top block, it contains forehead and eyebrows. Okay, repeat after me. Forehead and eyebrows. Middle block. Now, middle block, when we divide our face in equal 3 blocks, it contains eyes and nose. And don't forget the ears. Nose and ears, they come in one stripe only. Okay? In one stripe only, nose will come here, so ears will come exactly in front. And nose and ears, they are always equally long, equal big. Okay? Oh, and the lower one, here their lips and chin will come. Okay? So actually we make face this ways, but as it is abstract art, so I'm not going to work a lot on detailing. I will simply give it a shape. Abstract, it means nirakar. Okay, in Hindi we call it nirakar. So I will be making it that ways only, nirakar. Okay, yes. So this is, see, this is nose. Come here. Sairam, see, this line you divide now. So now the middle block, you will be making a line and you will write almost L shape. L shape. Okay, because this is nose. This is L shape inside, because now it is abstract art. So we will not go for realistic. Okay, I just taught this so that you can understand the basics of face study. Eyebrows. Eyebrows will go in top, right? So I will be showing eyebrows in a very creative way. Here, see, straight and going up and straight. See, it's going straight. Yes, see these light lines you should draw. It will give you idea and understanding, better understanding. Although we can do it directly also. But when you make stripes and this ways you do, no, you start understanding the basics of figure anatomy. Okay. So what I did, I draw L, I gave a curve and connect. Okay. Simply L in middle block. Okay, I will extend my lines to the top one and I will finish. Eyebrow. And as I said, that's middle block. Can others hear me properly? Is my voice reaching to others properly? Okay, fine. So please, those who are not able to listen, check your internet if my voice is cracking. Okay, now ears. So see, exactly in front of nose, ears will come. But here in abstract, I will be covering it up with a big earring. Just show a big earring. Because here we are not bounded with the realistic. I will just show as I wish to show. Okay. So here I will be simply picking up some features and make my abstract art.
Ma'am, can you please zoom in?
Yeah, sure. Okay. So see what I did in front of nose, I just show this kind of earring. This is a great part of my abstract art. Okay. And I will be showing a curve this way. I'm showing mom. Okay. This is mother with a baby in arms. You know? And the love, if you really want to see that how much care your mom has given you, you can observe a baby completely disabled for doing anything, but with love, with care, how mama just hold and put it close to heart, awaken for many nights. You know? So this love, if you really want to show, just remember the days when you were a newly born baby. We are going to show the same. Okay. Now I will be showing closed eyes. Eyes closed with love. Okay. Simple curve. Now see where the eyes will come. Nose and eyes will come in middle block. So I will be showing an eye. Simply see. Okay, see. You can make it bold here. Closed eyes. And here I will be making one tika, Mang tika. I'm going to show Indian beauty. Okay. For abstract art, I just love to go for that. Mang tika. Simply connect. Okay. Here you will go straight with curved open hair and connect. Eyes simply see, closed eyes. Okay. Closed eyes. So what I did, we simply learned the face study. The lower part is lips and chin. Middle part is nose and ears, just in the same stripe. Top part is forehead and eyebrows. And if you feel that eyebrows can be shifted somewhere, you can, because this is abstract. So here you don't worry about if somewhere some shapes are little bit disturbed. You are not at all supposed to worry. And here you can just give a soft, slightly soft contour. That's very good if you thank your mom every day, because she deserves lots of thanks. I just want to check the work. Please lift up your works, all of you, and show me. And those who want to make it on canvas, they can arrange A3 size canvas and draw the same on it. Okay. Very good. Very good. Lovely. Beginning is amazing. Now let's complete neck. Okay. So see, this is side face. I will take it here. Almost here. And I will be making a line of neck. Okay. Line of neck. And again, the line of neck will be 2 fingers. It can be 2 fingers. Okay, and it's not straight, it is slightly slanting. Yes, I have checked everyone's. Okay, it's slightly slanting and 2 fingers. Exactly 2 fingers, not very big. Okay. Yes, I will go slow so that you can understand. Okay, and see, I'm teaching in this, although I was planning this to teach on canvas, but during lockdown at many places, students find it very difficult to arrange for canvas. So that's why I will be teaching it on paper. Those who are able to arrange for that, they can go for that. Otherwise, okay, now see, I will be taking 4 fingers distance, and here, 4 fingers, okay? You can see where I'm keeping it. Okay. 4 fingers distance, and draw a shape of U. U, which should touch this neckline. Okay. This is a shape of U. This is 4 finger distance. Okay, 4 fingers distance. This is U, and the lines will go. Now see, U, first draw U. Then I will be showing where the lines will go. Okay. But how much wide? 4 fingers. Okay. Very carefully. Don't make it very thin. Don't make it very broad. Otherwise, the figure will affect. Everything we will keep measuring with fingers. Okay, so this is a U. And how much wide? 4 fingers. Now start doing it. It's okay, Shrishti. If your fingers are small, you can take slightly big, because your fingers are small here also. So your complete body is going the same proportion. No? So it will not affect. 4 fingers. Okay. Now from here. Okay. Now see from here. From here you will be taking 4, then 4, and then 2. Okay. 10 fingers. See, 4 fingers, 4 fingers, 10 fingers. Total 10 fingers length. Okay. This is 10 fingers. Come on. From here. Come on, do with me. Okay. I will give full view for Harshita. Just let me finish this, then I will give full view. Okay. What I did from here, 4, 4, and 2. This is almost 10. We will see if extension is required. We will do it afterwards. Okay. Now, the shape of body. Okay. So just come inside. And then this is looking like S. Straight. Come on, this is S. But S is not curved. We are not writing S this way. It is S. Okay, this way. S for sun. I will be showing it again. Okay, it is Rehat. Rehat, lots of wishes on your birthday. May God shower blessings on you. Happy birthday. And many times, see students, if I miss a few messages because continuously messages are coming. See, those who are using A4 size paper, they can also try with the same measurement and afterwards they can do the same on A3 size paper. Okay. You can send it on my Instagram ID, Ashik Radha and Krishna Drawing. Okay. So what I did, I simply draw okay, I simply draw S after writing C. Okay. This is shape S coming inside and then almost straight till this finger, the measurement of finger. Okay. And from here, this point, I will be showing. I just want to check it first. The shapes are very important. Please lift up your work and show. 4 finger wide U and then 11 fingers long S you will connect. The curves are very important, although this is abstract. So if your curves are slightly here or there, I can see a lovely flower drawing by Azel. Such beautiful work. Send it on Instagram, please, okay? So that I can send my praises, appreciation, I can reach you. And here, just show a line here. Okay, this is the back portion of the hands. And now, see here, this is 11 finger distance. Okay, now from here, the hands will come. How will I show hands? The line, from here, the line will come outside. Hands of mom will come. Come on, show a line coming outside, slanting. Okay, a line coming slanting. And it is not 11 finger long. We will finish it here only. And now 2 fingers. Okay, 2 fingers. Not even 2. I think it should be less than 2. Less than 2. Not exactly 2, less than 2. I think 2 can be taken. Okay, take 2 only. And start. Take 2 fingers only. And make a line, hands downwards. Okay, she's holding baby, newly born baby, in hands, in arms, with love. Okay. So see what I did, a slanting line with 3 blocks. We try to understand what is the basic, and here 2 fingers, take 2 fingers, otherwise it will become very thin. Shreya, you please click on active speaker view. You will be able to see my video then. Okay. It is 2 fingers wide. 2 finger wide is looking almost like 2 parallel lines coming outside. Coming outside. Okay. And here I will be showing some curves. Okay. Of creases of cloth. Because from here the arm is coming outside, and show this line connected. Show this line connected. Okay. So this is blouse actually. And from here, you will be showing lehenga. Okay, lehenga. Yes, I will be repeating again. This is 4 finger distance. I draw a U. Okay. Then I just gave a curve. Then I took 11 fingers, 11 finger long, and I draw a very flat S. Okay. Then from here, I made a line. I made the second line in 2 fingers distance. 2 fingers distance. Okay. And see here. This is my 11 finger measurement. I finished it before only. Okay. Will you please show me? Because each and every line is very important. Just try to understand the method, how we are making, and you will find that so many canvas painting you will be able to draw. And don't make it in very much corner. Don't make it in very much corner. Otherwise, the things which you want to show at the back won't come. Okay. So shift it little bit here. Because here I can see it is Shaisha. It's in corner beta. So you are supposed to shift it here. Yes, very good. Lovely. Take care. Wonderful. Okay. Now
Excuse
see
me,
here.
ma'am.
Yes.
Please do explain the method of doing it on canvas also, like those who are using the canvas or who are planning to use the canvas. Please guide them how to do it.
Method is same. Method is same. You will be moving your pencil very light so that you can erase them. Use a measurement. With measurement and with planning. Okay, plan it nicely. Don't make it randomly, this much big, this much, then keep erasing. No. Plan with fingers, mark the points that this much big face, this much big. This way, plan it and then do. So, and the method is same. You will be using a normal pencil and you will be making on canvas. The method of making drawing is same, but the same measurements. Go for little planning, so you will not have to use eraser again and again. Okay, the method is same. Drawing and coloring exactly same as I'm making on paper, no difference. Okay. Now I will be showing a cloth. Okay, it's S. Okay, a baby completely wrapped in cloth. So I will be showing a baby in arms. Okay. And for canvas painting, you need paint brushes and acrylic color. Okay, use acrylic color. Those who want to do canvas painting. Rest can do with watercolors or any color. And paint brushes, but this is the thing required. Okay, and sketch pen, outlines and sketch pen you can give. Or marker pen is also available in market. So see, I will give a full view as it is in okay. This is full view. And now this is the cloth falling down. And I will be showing a line. Okay, a imaginary line that this is the line, this is hand, line of hand. Okay, she is holding this ways. To make this kind of imaginary line. And see, many students, while looking at work of yours, I've just found that many of you made it in a corner. So don't worry, okay, don't erase it now. You just make it with me. And when the class will get over, that time you can take one more paper and just shift it here. It will give you two benefits. You will get a revision. and the things will be managed, because many of you made it. In many drawings, I find it so much tilted. Okay, so you can just do correction on one more page, and or you can erase lines and do. Okay, now after this, I will be making a baby. For making baby, just close to face, I will be showing this kind of round shape, golu molu shape. Okay. And the body. Okay. Body which is not at all able to do any work. But mom with love, looking after. So if you really want to see and feel what efforts your mom has done for you, just look a lady taking care of a newly born baby. And you will realize that, yeah, we were in this condition, we were not able to do anything. And mama was taking care of all things required. So you will understand that she's the one deserves the whole respect of. Okay. I will be showing this ways. Canvas, so I don't have available right now. See, Canvas is available in two forms. Okay, a board, canvas board, or a canvas sheet. Okay, even cloth is also available. So you can pick up any. Okay, canvas board or canvas sheet, any you can take. Okay, now I will be showing baby with curly hair. Okay, let's show curly hair. Okay. Show curly hair. And if you want to show, okay, with any other kind of hair, you can try that. I will be simply showing a with curly hair. Okay. Just covering the face and junior batch also we learn Mother's Day special drawing. Okay. I will be showing this kind of curly hair and completely relaxed. Okay. Small eyebrows. Cute nose and a pleasant smile. Least bothered what is happening in world. If in mom's arms, then completely safe, secured. And you can see the pleasant smile, that relaxed, simple. Okay, you will not make prominent features, just to maintain the simplicity. And here, okay, a U shape quite close to face. Okay, this line is coming this way, and this is U. A line is coming straight and reaching to mama's arms. Can others hear me? Are you able to hear me? Please show your thumbs up. Harshika, you please check beta your Hansika. Yes, the name is. If you're not able to hear me, you please check your internet beta, because rest all can hear me. Yeah, Hansika. Hansika, please check your internet beta. Now see here, I will be showing a U shape a line first and then gradually hands are reaching towards arms. If it is, don't make it very far, okay? It's very close. And with small hands, holding mama's clothes. Holding, don't go anywhere. Okay, you can show this way is also hands. Or if you want to show it open, yes, you can show that open also. Okay. Just show a dress. Okay, this ways. After this, I just want to check it first. Please lift up your work. All of you. Show me. I want to check it. Come little close. Okay, and see if you feel that this is a mistake I have done. And the mama is very close in the corner. So you can do correction. You can either erase lines or you can do it again. Okay, it will give you revision. Very well done. Shabash. Okay, and after completing drawing, if you feel that mama's face is looking very big, you can just erase and correct it. Okay, now I will be showing lines. S, I will be writing S. I will erase this line and I will start writing S close to baby. This is the cloth in which mama wrapped baby. Okay, okay, this is cloth. So for this, I will be writing S, letter S. See how? Okay, completely covered and one from here. See, okay, we'll be showing this ways and okay, so this ways you will be showing completely the cloths just falling down and you will erase this line. Okay. Now, done? Yes, as I'm continuously getting requests what we did in junior batch, we learned this drawing in junior batch. Okay, this was the artwork which we learn in junior batch, and this is also a Mother's Day special drawing. Okay, and we are going to do little craft also in this for writing secret messages, and for your category, this canvas painting. Okay, and your mom will be more than happy if you will put your efforts in your drawings and show yourself very okay, now let's complete face. Okay, for making face, now just from here. Just from here, the line, one line will go here. This way. Okay, very close to this Mang Tika. Come on. And it will go back. Okay, it will go here, Mang Tika, and now it will fall down near baby. Come on, do this. Now the lines of abstract art. You will see freestyle line we are using. No realistic curves. Okay, this kind of nothing we are going to use in this. Okay. Yes. I will be making it bold from here. Okay. I will erase extra lines. It can confuse you. See, this is my single line. And now this is the border. Gradually, I'm coming close. And I will finish. Okay, this kind of small detailing always add beauty to the work. Okay. And from here, I will be showing a cloth, a line from this back side of this shoulder. I will be showing a line touching this earring. Okay, from here. Okay, from here, I just draw a line and I touch this earring. Okay. And now I will be making one more line from here very carefully. Very carefully, you just do with me. I will make it parallel and I will write a S. Come on, just finish it. Okay. S. Okay, and let's complete the forehead part by showing a curve this way. Okay, see, this is the face. Okay, so you will be just showing it should be connected here. Okay, it should be connected and finish it. Okay, what I did, I just showed this kind of two wavy lines. Okay, this kind of two wavy lines. These both the lines are coming from earring. Okay, if you will see, these two wavy lines are coming from earrings. Okay, and I just connect the face. I connect and finish this part, and this is the border. It's falling down. You can show some curves in this. This is junior batch work. Okay. Yes. No, we will not give outlines. Okay, as this is a watercolor work, no outline. Let's complete it first. Now let's complete hairstyle. So see here the curly hair. Okay, curly hair you can just extend because I feel that little more extension can be given. And same I will continue falling down near this shoulder line. Complete this shoulder line. Okay, this is hairline. This complete is hairline. Okay. And just connect to the neck. Only this much part of neck will be visible then. Erase all the lines which are coming in hairline. Okay. And where it will finish, it will come in curve and finish here. Okay, here. And don't forget to show a line from behind. One more hairline will come from here. This is chin. And this kind of hairline. Finish it till baby. Come on, from chin, you will be making, this is also, see, this is hairline, and this is also hair. Okay. This is neck. When you will color it, you will be, everything will be sorted. And if you feel that here the curve should be little more soft, you can just give it soft. Okay, you can do this kind of changes. If you feel that this curve should be soft, so you can go. Otherwise, if you feel that no, it's looking great, you can just keep it that way. Okay, now erase the lines which are not required. This is just for guideline. And how can we forget lovely Bindi? Okay. Yes, this is the work of artist Shalini, which we are going to learn in our abstract art. Okay. Now, will you please show? All of you lift up your work and show. And we learn how to draw step by step. Okay. And those who want to use canvas, they will bring a canvas and will draw with light pencil. Method is same. Go for the same measurements. Okay, A3 size. Take A3 size and very beautiful work. Lovely. Okay, let's come back to work. Now, see, lips, we will not show in our abstract art. If you want to show, it is your choice, but don't make. Okay, we will be making it this ways. And eyes, we can make little more expressive. And now let's make some lines on detailing. Okay, let's work a little on detailing. Some patterns here and some lines. You know, many times we learn, pick up the work of some artists. So this is the work of Shalini. Okay, and artist Shalini, we picked up work of Jamini Roy and many more artists. You know, folk art also we picked up. Sometimes we pick up some artists' work. So this is also one artist work who is very good at okay, now I want to check the work first. Please lift up your work and yes, please all of you lift up your work and show and come little close. I will go a little slow and I can see for making baby boy and many of you made small hair and I can see the change in hairstyle and I'm really happy to see the work. It's a great implementation. If you feel that your main artwork, that is mother, has been shifted in the corner, don't worry, you can add some blocks. You can add some blocks here as it is abstract art. So some blocks can be, we can add, okay? Although, so this ways we can cover it up. And efforts are wonderful and praiseworthy. Okay? So here you will be showing, and this is Aida, beautiful drawing of mermaid. Please send it on my Instagram ID, okay? After coloring, I always request my students to send their work on my Instagram ID where I do correction, okay, and send my feedback and suggestions also. Hershey, it's beautiful mandala. And I can see so many things. And this is Shriya, wonderful work. Hershey again with a mandala. It is Shriya with a butterfly. And it is Preksha, beautiful detailed work, lovely. So, and see Pranya Batra, it's so creative work, lovely. And Srishti, and it's Divya, wow, it's a beautiful pencil shading work, mom and baby. And this is Dhatri. And sometimes few names are, yes, I will give full view. I will give full view of my drawing. And please send your artworks on my Instagram ID so that I can say this is our full work. Okay, this is our complete artwork. See, yeah, so here the lines, we can go for simple lines. I'm repeating the measurement. This is 2 finger wide. Okay, from here it is 11 finger, 10 fingers. Okay, if you want to show the more curve, more prominent curve, you can add this way. Okay, if you feel that the curve, I want to make more prominent, you can do the changes. Wherever you feel like to do some changes, you can. And this is a beautiful abstract art. Okay, you will see its beauty after coloring. Okay, so with very simple lines, we completed this artwork, learning the basics while making face. Okay, and this is all about today's art. Next class, what material is required? Keep little cotton ready, watercolors ready, paintbrush, water container, a plate to mix colors. And you can take marker or sketch pen for outlines. And if you have earbuds are also required for making jewelry or some detailing if required. And yeah, your paint brushes. The paintbrush, earbuds, watercolors, and marker. Okay, marker or you can use even normal sketch pen for outlines, okay? Because outlines add that beauty to poster paint. If you're doing on what paper, you can use your poster colors, cake colors, any colors. Even those who don't have watercolors, or those who want to do this, they can use any other color medium also. So you will not give outlines. As we are going to do it with watercolors, no homework, no outlines. Okay, because in watercolors, outline is the last part we do. Okay, and Advita, please send this work on my Instagram ID. Okay, I will love to check it. And this is so beautiful, Pragati. Lovely ornamental pattern on hand. See, so many drawings you want to share. And because of this, we created the platform Instagram, okay? Where I can see your work. I really love to praise your efforts. They are really praiseworthy. Although you all are overburdened and so many things, school homework, projects. Sanvi, this is looking real. Very good. This eye with pencil shading is looking absolutely real. Amazing. Okay. So hopefully you all must have enjoyed today's class. If yes, can I see a thumbs up with Badi Wali smile? Yes, your magical smile. Siddhant, it's beautiful. Very good, Siddhant. And many more. There's Hansika again. See, if any name is skipped, and this is a beautiful box by Shivani. Great. You can send your artworks also. And it is Jigraj. Jigarraj. Beautiful night scene. So I'm really happy. And this is Christmas Tree by Diona. Great. So see, these are all artworks and you're continuously showing, and the list is endless. So I can't take names of everyone because so many kids want to share their work. So please do send it on my Instagram ID. You know my Instagram ID, okay? My @geo_classes. Okay, this is my Instagram ID. When you complete your work now, when you color and all, I just request you all to send it here. So with this, I will wind up class. Lots of blessings. Bye-bye. Take care. No outlines, no homework. Okay, be ready with your material next class. We will be coloring it. Okay, bye students.